This tutorial covers how to manage your product vouchers in Snapplify Origin. To view vouchers, you will need the Finance user role within Origin. First, we will start with finding and viewing your product vouchers. Start by navigating to origin.snapplify.com and sign in using your Snapplify account. From the navigation menu on the left, click on Voucher. Use the advanced filters to locate specific vouchers. You can search by voucher code, label, reference, status, active or inactive, complimentary, voucher created or redeemed date. Type in the value you're looking for and press Enter on your keyboard, or select the magnifying glass to search. The system will display matching vouchers. Perhaps you need a record of your vouchers to exist outside of Origin. You may also export your vouchers by clicking on the Export button. Confirm that you would like to export your vouchers, and you will be prompted to save the document on your desktop. Select the Reset button to reset your search. You may also view vouchers in List View by selecting the Active, Inactive, and All buttons. Active will display all vouchers that were created and activated. Inactive will display vouchers that were created but not activated and deactivated vouchers. All will display all vouchers created. In this view, each row includes the voucher label and code, reference, uses, which is the total quantity, and redeemed quantity, for example, 0 redemptions of 1 use. Total price, which is the total value of the voucher. The voucher created date and time. Select a specific voucher from the list view by clicking on the voucher label. The label is indicated as selectable by the blue text. The detailed view provides key information about each voucher. You'll see the voucher reference. This is the internal reference you assign to the voucher. You'll also see the products linked to the voucher, along with the activity history. The activity history records information such as who created, activated, or deactivated the voucher, which products were added, and the exact timestamps for each action. Perhaps you have made a mistake on the voucher. You can deactivate vouchers in Origin if they haven't been redeemed yet. Find and view the voucher you want to deactivate by following the previous steps. From the detailed view, confirm that the voucher has 0 redemptions, meaning it has not yet been redeemed. Select the Deactivate option and confirm your selection as the pop-up appears. You will still be able to see the details of the voucher, but will be unable to make any edits or reactivate the voucher once it has been deactivated. Deactivating a voucher moves it to the Inactive tab in the list view of all your vouchers. With these steps, you can easily manage your vouchers in Origin.